ready? Let's go. Wow. Are you excited to go pick some pumpkins? So today we're picking pumpkins at Underwood Farms.
We're gonna go walk around one time and y'all gotta walk.
I mean, I would get out, but she's too scary,
Look at Sam, Mama. Look at all the pumpkins. You see the pumpkins? These ones are called bunch of warts. Wow. Martha, come on. Let's go get your sister. Okay, touch the pumpkins. Feel them.
So they all like, hi, pretty. Oh, it's so much. Hey, friends. Say hello.
I think that's a little too heavy for you, girl. Look at the scarecrow. Scarecrow, say scarecrow. Scarecrow, yes. Come on, let's go get your sister. Where's Jada? Go get her. Go get Sissy. Go, girl. Go get her. Wow, that's a cool looking pumpkin.
So it's called a knucklehead.
So these ones are called the knuckleheads. These ones are called warts galore. These ones. Those are weird looking ones, huh, girls? Let's use that. I need to figure out how to get on this thing right here. Wow, is that heavy? We gotta find a small one for you so you can paint it. Here, come here. Okay, we're gonna go on this too, right? Gotta figure out how to get on this guy. Kinda looks like a snake, huh? Heavy, yes, very heavy. Look what we found! We found a cart! Jordan, Jada! Hi! Can you wave hi? Yeah. Yeah. That's a good one right here. This big one? Or this one? You helping me pull the wagon? Good job. So strong. Come on, pull it. Good job, Jordan. Okay, go this way. Let's go get your sister. Go get your sister. Go look at that small one.
Look.
Yeah.
Oh, it's already cracked.
Let me see.
It's cracked at the top.
That was a good one. You want to go up on there? You want to go in the haystack? Oh, this is a nice little pumpkin right here. Ooh, I broke it. Careful, please. Jordan and Jada, you're getting a little too brave for me. You're getting a little too brave, girls. It is a dog. Wow. Say cheese. Look at me. Jada. Let me see your pumpkin, Jor. Let me see it. Ooh, Jada. Let me see it. Ooh, pretty. Oh, ran into a pumpkin. Ew. It's not nasty. It's not nasty, baby. It's paper. Nasty. It's paper. Oh, these little cute pumpkins. We were afraid we're only going to find one, but look how cute these are. There's so many. Wow. We're gonna have the girls paint their pumpkins. Yeah, how cute. We were really looking so hard for all those small pumpkins, and they're all right here.
Right. I did a good thing finding perfect pumpkin.
I know. I think we can leave our stuff right here. Look at these big pumpkins. They're huge. They're humongous. Come on, Jordan. Come look at
Oh
these.
my God, why do they cost so much?
What do you say?
It's a lot.
$400 for this pumpkin right here. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Don't put your fingers in there, please. Uh-oh. Here, go follow your sister. Let's go see what's over here. Come on. Oh, look, they have like a animal farm over there.
Sit down, baby.
Let's go look at the animals. Let's look at the chickens. Come on. The chickens. Go say hi to the chickens. Say hi, chickens. What does a chicken do? Say hi, chickens. Don't get too close, okay? What do chickens do? Huh? Oh. Chickens.
Come on, let's keep going.
Chicken. Say hi, chicken. Oh, look at the rooster, baby. He's huge. Look at the rooster.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. Huge. Big rooster. He goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Wow.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yeah, he's eating. He's eating noodles? Oh, okay. He's eating trash, but we'll call that noodles. Yeah. He's a big. He's a big one.
All right.
So we didn't know it was going to be this cool at the farm. They have like a farm. You can pick your own fruits and flowers and pumpkins, and look at all the animals, and the girls are loving it. What is that? A tweet? You see the tweet? The birdie, he's taking a bath.
Birdie bear.
Taking a bath, yeah. Do you see the sheep? What do sheep do? What do sheep do, Jordan? Jada. Come over here.
Come here, Jada.
A sheep? What do sheep do? Moo. Sheep don't go moo. They say bah. Do it. Bah. Yeah, he's taking a tubby. The bird's taking a tubby. What do birds do? Good job, Jada. Go say hi to the ducky.
No, I'm not gonna hold you. Are you hungry right now?
What is this? Oh, wow. What is that? What is that? You scared? I don't like horses either. I don't like horses either, girl.
That's a big dude.
You like horses? What do horses do? Look, oh my goodness, we're not getting any closer. We're not going to get any closer, look. It's okay. Okay, I don't like horses either, baby. We're going to stay right here. Okay, let's go. These are the pumpkins that we got. We're going to put them in the back of the car. And then time for the tractor ride. Secure the pumpkins. They're so cute. No. All right. A flower? Oh, okay. today at Underwood Farms. That's a wrap for the day. The girls are tired. So we'll see you next Wednesday, right? And make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you next week.
It's a wrap.
Say bye. Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye. They're not having it.